Hello, my name is Regina. In this video, I will explain about how to add number into time in Microsoft Excel. In the example, I use the time function. Equal, click on 7 o'clock, plus, select on time function, hour meaning that I will add 0 to hour, minute meaning that I will add 0 to minute, and second meaning that I will add 0 to second. Example, I add 2 to the hour, 4 to the minute, and 5 to the second. The result will be 9 o'clock, 4 minutes, 5 seconds AM. Press enter. Right. Now let's start to add the column number to the hour. Click on hour, click on 1, and press enter. Double click, add column number to the minute, equal, click on 7 o'clock AM, plus, select on time function, 0, comma, click on 1, comma, 0, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Add column number to the scan. Equal. Click on 7 o'clock AM. Plus. Click on time function. 0, 0, click on 1. Close parenthesis and press enter. Click and scroll down. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you again in my next video. If you have a question, please write in the comment below.